we are going to demonstrate our presentation to the audience. Our presentation topic is about the pollution, which is essential issue around the world, and we shall try to give you some profitable information about it. Let us start our presentation right now. So, to begin with, definition of pollution. When harmful substances contaminate the environment, it's called pollution.
And the second definition is pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality.
Project 2, topics for the pollution. To begin with, information about the pollution. The second one is air pollution effects.
The third is consequences of pollution, and the last is solution to stop pollution.
So, a glance at this picture shows that some kind of factory which was built in the huge area, and it's clear that this factory is giving more harmful substances to the environment, and everyone knows that it's possible, it's too dangerous for human health. Now turn to the next page. I would like to give you some information about the pollution. Well, if to mention that the word pollution comes from the Latin, which is spelled by P-O-L-L-E-U-R-E, that simply means contamination pollution. It's the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that can cause adverse change. The pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy, or noise, such as noise, heat, or light. Pollutants, the components of pollution, can be either foreign substances or energy or naturally occurring contaminants. Also, there are different types of pollution as follows: air pollution, water pollution, light pollution, and plastic pollution.
And talking about air pollution effects, it's impossible to describe the full extent of potential and actual damage caused by all forms of air pollution. But here is the main consequences. On the environment. Air pollution has major impact on the process of plant evolution by preventing photosynthesis in many cases, with serious consequences for the purification the air will breathe. It also contributes to the formation of acid rain, forest, snow, or fog, which are released during the combustion of fossil fuels and transformed by contact with water and steam in the atmosphere. The second is impact on our health. Our air pollution is indeed a significant risk factor for human health. In addition, causing allergies, respiratory and cardiovascular disease, as well as lung damage.
Now comes the consequences of pollution. Well, how does pollution affect humans? In the following paragraphs, we will enumerate the consequences of releasing pollutants in the environment, and we can cause the most of the pollution, and we will suffer the consequences if we don't stop it. And we are already seeing its effect in the form of global warming and contaminated seafood, or increased cases of Lyme diseases, and more. In addition, pollution or the introduction of the different forms of waste materials in our environment has negative effect to the ecosystem we rely on. Moreover, there are many kinds of pollution, but the ones that have the most impact to us, which are air pollution and water pollution. So, turn to the next page. A glance at this picture shows that some kind of area which is covered by rubbish, so
it's very polluted area. Now, talking about the steps to prevent air pollution, we have some few steps, but they are some of the main steps to stop. First, we need to raise public awareness about this problem. Everyone should be conscious of how serious the problem has become, because air is being polluted mostly by irresponsible human activities. Proper arrangement of population education should be made so that air pollution as a result of population growth is prevented from growing. Consciousness should be raised in children by making air pollution measures as part of the curriculum. The second step is tree plantation. Trees should be planted on a large scale. We can help to make Earth cleaner by planting trees which will add oxygen to the atmosphere and provide shade in the summer. And the last step is to reduce use of personal vehicles. Air vehicles are major contributory factors for increasing air pollution at the global level. We need to drive less. For example, we can cut down air pollution by taking fewer trips in a car and frequently using public modes of transport.
Now turn to the final page, which is conclusion. To sum up, nowadays much is being done to control, monitor, and respite damage done by pollutants. The problems are diverse, and some are only being recognized, but it's important to keep a close control over the pollutants so that we can maintain in the environment in an stable condition for the future generation. So that is all